Have you ever paused to think about what it truly means to be unique? To be the salt of the earth? Well, let's explore that together salt, as we know, has a powerful purpose. It has the ability to preserve, enhance flavor, and bring out the best in everything it touches. And just like salt, you possess the incredible capacity, your kindness, compassion, to enrich the lives and authenticity have the power to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Every time you share your talents, lend a helping hand, or simply offer a warm smile, you're sprinkling that special seasoning onto this world. You have the remarkable ability to uplift others, spark joy, and create lasting change. But it's important to remember that just like salt, you too can lose your flavor. Negativity, doubt, and fear can dim your shine. It's crucial to stay true to who you are, to nurture your passions, and to continue spreading positivity. So let us embrace our role as the salt of the earth. Let us shine our light, share our gifts, and make a real difference in the lives of others. Together we can create a world that is full of flavor, love, and hope. Thank you for being a part of this journey. If you found this message inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content that will uplift and inspire you. Together, let's continue to make this world a better place.